What's up YouTube, my name's Will, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my first look at the VideoMic GO. Okay guys, so recently I purchased the Rode VideoMic GO out of the money I got for Christmas. So I wanted to compare this directly to my mic that I'm using at the moment, which is attached to what you're sitting on. That is the Rode VideoMic Micro. They were actually about the same price from Amazon, which is a little bit odd to me. They were both just under £50 if you're in the UK, so I don't think that's too bad of a price for a mic. In fact, that's very, very cheap, especially for one with the quality I've heard from the VideoMic GO. So I want to give it a test, but first of all, let's get it unboxed. So this is the box. It comes very well presented inside like that. On the side you've got what it has as features. On the back just a couple of like more in-depth stuff and just a nice picture on the side. I'll read you what it says here. So we've got a 2-year warranty which comes from Rode themselves. You've also got integrated Rycote Lyre suspension, which is this red part right here. I don't know if you can see that with the glare on the camera. There is no batteries required, so it essentially powers itself directly from your smartphone or from your DSLR or whatever you're using to film it with. You do not have to charge this thing, which is awesome for me because I always forget to charge things. It's also very, very light. I mean, even in the box, it feels very light. So what we're going to do now, you can hear Elliot laughing in the background, that's fine. So, just going to cut that. I totally needed this just to do that, obviously. Slide this out. Don't do that. And then we're going to get this plastic off. Don't do that. Now, that is like, I'm not even going to lie to you guys. Let me just put that down. That is so light. It's unreal. For an idea of size, and that's roughly how big it is. Obviously you don't know how big my hands are, so we've got a Canon 1300D here, which obviously you wouldn't be able to use this with because the Canon 1300D does not have an external audio source, which still annoys me to this day. But anyway, so Canon 1300D, standard DSLR, and that is the kind of size that you're looking at. You can just slide this onto the hot shoe, and that is the sort of size you're going to be looking at if it is on a DSLR. And this is how the suspension works. So it can go backwards or forwards, and then side to side is pretty much covered just by the vibration. I love the red is awesome, and as I say, it is very, very lightweight. I have also got a dead cat for this, so back to the old Stanley. This is just called the Dead Cat Go if you wanted to get this for yourselves on Amazon or any other shopping sort of website. These are pretty cheap. I think this was actually like £16 or something like that off of Amazon. To me that's cheap, mainly because I needed it. If you need something, then you're willing to pay whatever you're going to pay. There isn't a cheap or expensive. It is what it is. If you need it, buy it. It's an investment. So here's me trying to get into this. There we go. Try not to cut the head off the dead cat. That is the dead cat for it, and my Amazon poster guy kindly flattened it for me in the box, so it kind of looks like roadkill, to be honest with you. However, I am now going to attempt to get this on the mic, which should be incredibly interesting.
One eternity later.
Really? Fucking knobhead. And after a solid like 10 minutes, I managed to get that on there. This is made by Rode themselves, but that was not the easiest thing in the world, I won't lie to you guys. But that is what it looks like with the dead cat on. It also comes with a red TRS, the Trs cable, This would be if you're using it with a DSLR that obviously supports external mics, like a Canon 80D or something like that. And this basically plugs straight into the back of here, if you can see that. Elliot, can they see that?
Yeah, they can see that.
Nice one. So that just plugs straight into there like that, and then this end would plug into a DSLR. This cable that comes with it will not work with a phone. I repeat, it will not work with a phone. You need a TRS to TRRS cable, which you can get on Amazon. They're like £3. They're made by Rode themselves. Go buy one of them, that's what I've got. So now what I want to do, don't need that, is I want to do a comparison with this and the Rode VideoMic Micro sound test. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to disconnect the mic that you currently have, and I am going to install this, and then we're going to see the sound quality. I am going to leave the dead cat on because the mic that I'm using currently has the dead cat on now, so for a fair comparison I'm going to leave it on. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I now have the Go set up on the rig. That's me tapping it with the dead cat on. Sorry for the interruption, guys. This is future Will talking to you from a couple of hours after I've reviewed the footage that I just recorded. So I found that there is a buzzing noise, which I'm sure you guys are disappointed about. However, I have fixed this within seconds. So basically what it is that the Rode VideoMic GO will pick up interference from any sort of signal, which is that kind of like buzzing sound that you can hear. And the easiest way to fix that is just, if you're filming with a phone, turn your phone on airplane mode, there's no signal coming in and it won't interfere it, and it does fix the problem. Back to present day me. This is the size of the VideoMic Micro. They are both directional shotgun mics, so again, direct comparison there. For some reason on Amazon they were the same price, but I'm pretty sure that the Go is supposed to be more expensive. And if I can get this out of here, that is the size comparison between these things. So I'm expecting this one to be a lot better. That is the size of the Micro. It is definitely micro. And also this dead cat is a lot easier to fit. For some reason, that thing was an absolute bastard. But as you can see here, I have a hot shoe mount for this. I had to buy this hot shoe mount. I actually got it off of Wish, because Amazon didn't really do them. This I had to buy the extra for. The Go, you get it, it comes with it, so that's a bonus. And this is the sound quality, so I hope you guys can hear a difference, and it'll be interesting for me to find out when I edit this, because obviously I can't hear fuck all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If there's anything I missed out, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and ding dong that notification bell for me so you get notified when I upload. I have bought these mics to improve the quality of my main channel, so if you haven't subscribed to me over there, get over there and subscribe, because I'm just a fitness expert. I'm not really, I just make videos of my experience. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to drop a like, guys, and I will see you in the next one.